Why
1
second?
second.
Why 1 second?
Delete.
Why 1 second? Delay function takes the number in milliseconds. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All these things, how many times I have to do? Only once. That's how it is in setup phase. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So now you see this. What is this? What is this? మౌనిక మాట్లాడాలి అలా గమ్మునుంటే కాదు.
Yes, yes.
What is this?
Serial dot begin.
No, I didn't ask this part. I am asking what is this?
So it has to print serial.
It has to
Serially it has to
serial it has to
print to this patient.
already it is done. It is not that. See,
See,
there is one more object. What is the class here? Serial communication class. This is for serial communication. Why serial is required here? Arvind?
sir, here net issue.
Atma?
Network problem ఉంది సార్
Evarki?
అరవింద్కి అరవింద్.
Even he could connect both camera also. Camera and audio also. He can go out and I don't know, like based on interest. What is this serial? It is a serial object. What it means? Even I have also net problem. I won't get after some time. What is this serial? What is the serial, ma?
To check the ports, sir. Pins.
No. What he is doing next? For the purpose of serial, this is serial communication. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That we forget, right? Microcontroller is interfaced with GSM modem using which port, ma? Using which one?
You are
Okay. You remember in serial communication, what is this 9600? You know? What is this 9600?
baud rate.
Yes. You remember? So you are setting for serial communication. What rate it has to operate. That's what your initialization or setup. Any doubts here further?
సార్ ఇక్కడ సెట్ కర్సర్ అనేది జస్ట్ నేమే కదా సార్, మనం ఇక్కడ అది ఏదైనా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు కదా,
Set cursor అనేది
అక్కడ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నేమ్ ఏదైనా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్. ఎల్సిడి డాట్
it is not object. LCD is the object. This is the method.
ఎస్ సార్, మెథడ్ నేమ్ ఏదైనా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్ అక్కడ మనం.
No, that method should be there in the class.
ఓకే.
It is predefined class. From that you created an object. With object you
Okay.
can access the members.
ఎస్ సార్.
So this method is a member of the corresponding class.
ఓకే.
Okay. If it is there, if you are defining your own class, then you can have your own name. But these are all built
Okay.
in. Huh?
ఓకే, దీస్ ఆల్ ప్రీడిఫైన్డ్ లైక్.
In this class, they are the methods which are defined, declared.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
எஸ் சார்.
சொல்லுங்க, என்ன டவுட் இருக்குமா? Any
No,
doubts?
sir.
Clear?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. But let me remind you how many times this will be done.
Only
Once.
one
Who,
time.
who will call setup?
Set.
Who will call?
Object
Who will call this function? Bolo ji.
setup, void setup.
No.
Void set.
Who? Void setup. Void is written type. Who will call setup? When controller starts, it will go to a starting location. There you will have the address of this setup. Automatically it will be called only once. Attaita? Huh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next. Once it is done, it will come here. What is this function?
Void.
Function is loop. Void, forget about it. What it says, void means what? It return
Empty.
anything.
Null.
It returns void type, void data type, which doesn't have any type. Who is calling loop? Again, automatically it will be called. But please see here. Loop is calling BP. BP function definition is here. Who is calling BP?
Loop.
How many times?
Infinite times.
Once, not infinite times, one. Loop is calling BP only once. But loop is called again and again. In turn, BP is called again and again.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. I left some part. Let me explain this. What is this line, ma? क्या लिखा है इस लाइन में? पढ़ो जी.
Hash
Slash.
include
हाँ, hash include.
software serial.h.
What is this file?
Header file.
What you are doing here? When you say hash include, what will happen?
Including that header file
Where?
in this program.
Good.
Libraries.
Similarly, what will be there in header file?
Libraries.
No. This is wrong. Just these header files will have only declarations, variable declarations and function declarations. Libraries are not part of header file. అర్థమవుతుందా? అలాంటి లైన్స్ కానీ అది కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ కింద వేరియబుల్స్ డిక్లేర్ చేసాం చూడండి, ఇలాంటివి ఎక్కడైనా యూజ్ చేసుకునేటవి ఉన్నాయి, దాంట్లో ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఈ హెడర్ ఫైల్లో ఏముంటాయి? సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సీరియల్లో సీరియల్ కమ్యూనికేషన్కి కావాల్సిన వేరియబుల్స్, ఫంక్షన్ డిక్లరేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఐఎమ్ రిపీటింగ్. Header file contains declarations of global variables and functions. What it will be having? Declarations, not definitions. Okay?
Yes, sir.
What this header file will contain? For
Declaration
LCD
of
display,
global.
any variable that are used for LCD display, that will be in this header file. And this header file, what it will be having? What is DHT?
Temperature.
What is the IC number? What is the IC number of temperature sensor?
DTH is 1111.
That you have to see. Now, please see here. I have a LCD as a function here. Did you notice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And similarly, let me show some functions. Here you are having LCD dot set. These kind of things are part of the library. LCD will be the library corresponding to LCD. Serial will be library corresponding to. This will be the class corresponding to the corresponding library. Is it okay?
Yes,
What
sir.
about delay? What about delay? It is not part of them actually. It is a general function, system function. Okay. Now
Yes.
here, whatever the way, like what is this hash define? What we call it as? What is hash define? It is a macro. Hash define pi 3.14 like that. Okay.
Yes.
This is a macro. You know a macro, right? Hash define. Use this. Hash define pi space 3.14, something like that. This is a macro. What we call hash define, hash include as?
All those were predefined.
No. This hash include in a line at first, if it sees hash in the first column, this hash in the first column, those are all called preprocessor directives. What are that? Preprocessor directives. They are giving direction to preprocessor. Okay, don't go into the details. Next. ఇంకేం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి? బీపీకి వెళ్ళాము. బీపీలో ఏం చేస్తున్నాము? టెంపరేచర్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
Yes, sir.
What is MILLIS is doing?
Millisecond.
Millisecond. What it is doing, ma? It is getting the temperature from temperature sensor, I guess.
Yes, sir.
And you are keeping in temporary variable. Okay. No. This is for taking current time, ma. Some current time. Okay. See, continuously you are not taking temperature. You are waiting for some time. First you are taking value at a particular time, that into temperature. That's some temporary variable. Next, after some time, after which time? See here. You are waiting for some time. Temperature plus 5 seconds. This temporary time plus 5 seconds you are waiting. Then again you are taking. As and when you are taking, you are reading from this pin and you are putting some delay. Something I am missing. But the point here is, I think you are waiting for some time to read again and again from the pins, to which you are connecting either a temperature sensor or pressure sensor. HBS is what, ma? Heartbeat, na? So here it is measuring basically heartbeat, ma. HBS, na? Heartbeat. Heart rate count. Then heart rate, how you are measuring? From this heart rate you are measuring. Count. Okay. Somewhere you are having count. Now, if heart rate is greater than 100, what you are doing? Immediately you are writing onto display. And you see here, send message, high blood pressure. This is sent to whom? Send message. You are interacting with whom? This send message. To whom you are interacting? With this number. That means with GSM modem through serial communication. Okay.
Yes.
Similarly, heart rate is there, set cursor, DTH read, and if it is exceeding, you are sending message to GSM modem. Now, when you say send message, what it is doing? See here. When you say send message, what has to be done? Through serial, through serial port, it has to send the message, high temperature or whatever it may be. Then AT is the command, which is called nothing but attention, which will initiate the terminal at the serial other side of the terminal. Did you hear about something called DTE DCE communication? Have you heard about this? DTE
No, sir.
DCE. Now go through that. Okay. Whenever you are sending through serial at UART, you are called DCE. Other side is GSM modem, right? That is called DTE. So DCE is telling, who is DCE here? 8051. It is telling to its port UART. It is telling to whom? GSM modem. Then GSM modem will act as DTE, data terminal equipment, data communication equipment. Initially it says attention, that means start communicating, AT. This is the command. There are something called AT commands. Just you search this. You search for AT commands. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then you will understand what is AT. Now let me skip this part. Let us proceed further. And after 3 minutes the session will be over. Then you have some commands, CMFG, CNMI. Using these commands you are sending to the message to the serial. That serial in turn it goes to GSM modem. Once GSM modem is getting some information, and if you write this value 0x1a, it starts sending an SMS message to the doctor. Let me repeat the flow. First setup, that will be called once and it will be taking care of initialization. Then loop will be called again and again, and in turn you are calling BP. There you are measuring temperature, heartbeat, and if some condition, threshold condition is happening, then you are sending the message to GSM modem by using AT commands. Here you are using temperature here. Is it okay? Here this send message is the function which is called by whom? This BP. As and when it is required, it is calling. Okay. So that is what the code explanation part, which I didn't stress. Here again DTH is one object. The thing which I didn't stress too much is this serial println and what it is doing. Okay. Here when you say println, it is sending, DC is sending message to GSM modem. These commands are called what is that commands? AT commands. Everyone is having AT. After that some code is there now, and you are waiting for some time so that it will be reaching the DT. It is from DC to DT. That's it, ma. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
1% understood. 0%.
No, sir. Understood, sir.
कल्याणी मैडम
Yeah.
क्या हो रहा है? Any issues?
No, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
సార్ జిఎస్ఎం మాడ్యూల్ అని చెప్పాలి కదా సార్.
ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేయమ్మా.
జిఎస్ఎం మాడ్యూల్ అండ్
GSM module means it has some blocks na. మన ఫోన్ లో ఏముంటాయి అన్నీ ఉంటాయి దాంట్లో. అంటే మెసేజ్
లేదు సార్, మేము జిఎస్ఎం అని చెప్తున్నాం కదా సార్. జిఎస్ఎం మాడ్యూల్ అని కరెక్ట్ చేయమన్నారు కదా.
అవును అవునమ్మా.
నెక్స్ట్
యాక్చువల్ గా GSM మాడ్యూల్ అనము GSM మోడెమ్ అంటాం దాన్ని. నెక్స్ట్ మనకి ఇంట్లో కంప్యూటర్ పక్కన ఒక రోటర్ లాగా పెడతాం కదా, ఇంత ముందు దాన్ని మోడెమ్ అనేవాళ్ళు. అంటే రోటర్ కాకుండా మోడెమ్ అనేవి కూడా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. మాడ్యులేటర్, డిమాడ్యులేటర్. అమ్మా సెషన్ అవుతా ఉంది, మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అవుదామా, క్లోజ్ చేసేద్దామా? ఫాస్ట్, తొందరగా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి. మళ్ళీ ఏమన్నా నాకు 5 minutes మాట్లాడదామంటే నేను స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను, అదర్వైజ్ వీ విల్ ఎండ్.
మెసేజ్ చేస్తాం సార్ గ్రూప్ లో.
అమ్మా
గ్రూప్ లో మెసేజ్ చేస్తాం సార్. మేము కూడా ఒకసారి ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూసి ఏమైనా డౌట్ వస్తే మెసేజ్ చేస్తాం సార్.
ఇంకా అలా కాదు, ఒక 5 minutes ఏదైనా చెప్దామని ఉంది, ఎలా చెప్పాలనేది